Today we're here talking about the DFS from Nidec. This is our drive freestanding unit. This one here is stocked at Galco, ready to ship today. Today I'd like to talk to you guys about the DFS from Nidec. This is a drive freestanding unit. These units come in 100 to 1250 horsepower. As you can see, the unit has a keypad mounted on the outside for ease of startup and programming. It comes with your disconnect, lockout, and vented. Opening the door here, I'd like to point out just some quick features. What this drive's really about is helping the customer get up and running quickly. So these are pre-engineered. They're configurable. You can add harmonics. You can add filter fans, distortion, easy programming, and highly configurable. Control Techniques is a leader in the VFD side of the business, so you can trust the quality in a product with the Nidec side. Our products also come with circuit protection, as you can see. This is pre-engineered, but you can also add harmonic and EMC filters, other board controls, vented, ready to go, shipped to your facility, pre-engineered panel. I'd just like to remind you these are 100, 200, and 400 horsepower drive units. We understand that no two applications are the same when it comes to your drive systems requirements. I'd like to let you know that this drive is available to ship today from Galco, and you could also check us out at galco.com for your ease of ordering.